In this lesson, we are going to look at the screen modes in Adobe Photoshop CS4. And screen modes are basically different ways to view your image on screen. So I have three images open here. They're three very different images of some flowers. And I'm going to go back to our original image, this purple flower. If we go up to this tab right here, which is called Screen Mode, and click on this arrow, we have three different view modes. We have the standard screen mode, which we're in right now, that shows us all of our panels, our menus, our toolbar, our options and applications bar. Then we have the full screen mode with menu bar. I'm going to activate that to show you the difference. And if you notice, we have this gray background here. I'm going to switch to the hand tool and scroll that over to center it. We have this full screen mode with the menu bar. Now I want to get rid of these tabs over here. I want a cleaner look, and I can hit the tab button, and that is going to eliminate all of those submenus so that I can have a cleaner view. If I want to access those menus and tools again to make a quick change while I'm viewing this image in this clean space, I can just navigate over to the right side and look. That panel gets back. Oh, we got a little disoriented here. And if I want my toolbar, I can simply go over here to the left, pick a tool and make a change. Now I'm going to show you the next screen mode by hitting the F key, and that changes the background to black. If I want to show my portfolio to somebody and I want to scroll through using a manual slideshow function, I can do that in this mode. And basically you're going to hit the Control or Command key plus Tab, and that's going to scroll through these images. It's a really nice, simple, clean way to look at images without having all of the chaos and distraction of all your menus. And if I want to go back to my original standard screen mode, all I need to do is hit the F key and then the Tab key, and we are back into our standard screen mode. And again, you can access all of these through this menu up here. Let's move on to the next lesson, and we will look at customizing a workspace.